Equality versus equity. Explanation with examples. Equality and equity are two concepts often used in discussions about fairness and justice, but they have distinct meanings. Here's a clear explanation with examples to help differentiate between the two. One, equality. Definition. Equality means providing the same resources, opportunities, or treatment to everyone, regardless of their individual needs or circumstances. Focus. Treating everyone the same. Example. A teacher gives the same textbook to every student in the class, regardless of their reading level or learning needs. A company offers the same training program to all employees, even though some may need additional support. Visual representation. Imagine three people of different heights trying to look over a fence. Equality would mean giving each person the same sized box to stand on, even if it doesn't help the shortest person see over the fence. Two, equity. Definition. Equity means providing resources, opportunities, or treatment based on individual needs to ensure fair outcomes. Focus. Giving people what they need to succeed. Example. A teacher provides extra tutoring or modified materials to students who struggle, while advanced students receive challenging assignments. A company offers additional mentorship or flexible work hours to employees from underrepresented groups to help them succeed. Visual representation. Using the same fence scenario, equity would mean giving each person a box of the size they need to see over the fence. The shortest person gets the tallest box, while the tallest person might not need one at all. Key differences. Aspect, equality, equity. Definition, same resources for everyone. Resources based on individual needs. Goal, equal treatment. Fair outcomes. Focus, uniformity. Justice and fairness. Example, giving everyone the same shoes. Giving each person shoes that fit. Real-life examples. Education. Equality. All students receive the same amount of funding for school supplies. Equity. Students from low-income families receive additional funding or free meals to ensure they have the same opportunities as others. Healthcare. Equality. Everyone is given the same type of health insurance plan. Equity. Low-income individuals receive subsidized or free healthcare to ensure access to medical services. Workplace. Equality. All employees are offered the same training program. Equity. Employees with disabilities are provided with assistive technologies or accommodations to participate fully. Why equity matters. Addresses historical disadvantages. Equity helps level the playing field for marginalized or disadvantaged groups. Promotes inclusion. It ensures everyone has the opportunity to succeed, regardless of their starting point. Leads to better outcomes. By meeting individual needs, equity fosters growth and development for all. Visual summary. Equality. Everyone gets the same size ladder. Equity. Everyone gets a ladder that allows them to reach the same height. In conclusion, while equality aims for sameness, equity strives for fairness by addressing individual needs and systemic barriers. Both are important, but equity is often necessary to achieve true justice and inclusion.